Raymaksan, railway maintenance and overhaul equipment. Engineered for precision, built for durability. The VYK-01 Wagon side. Transfer platform enables the controlled lateral movement of locomotives, passenger coaches and freight wagons between parallel rail lines. Manufactured with high structural strength and industrial-grade components, the VYK-01 delivers synchronized motion, accurate alignment and uncompromised operational safety. Powered by a dual-motor drive system and equipped with specially alloyed, heat-treated steel wheels, the platform performs reliably under heavy load conditions. An integrated control cabin, joystick-based motion control, electromagnetic locking mechanisms, distance measurement systems, safety cameras, warning signals, lighting projectors, and emergency stop units ensure maximum control and safety throughout the operation. Designed for railway workshops and maintenance facilities, the VYK-01 represents efficiency, strength, and engineering precision. Raymaksan is a brand of Metalmak Makina, committed to industrial reliability and engineering excellence.